Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today I am coming with another video. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to calculate area from any kind of shape. Okay, the simple and easy way. We can calculate area three or four ways. Okay, I'll show you two ways. Okay, and calculate the total area and plus them. Okay, plus them together in one CAD file. If you have thousands of shape, you can calculate in an easy way area. So first of all, I have the polyline here, and then second one is circle, arc, line, and cloud. See, the arc is single broken line, also cloud also broken line, the line the single line. Okay, but circle is closed, polyline also closed. If you're not closed, you can close. First of all, I just click any kind of polyline or close line like this and click mouse right button, click the properties. So here it is, this is a polyline, and coming down here you find the geometry. This is a coordinate XYZ, and you will find here the area 13.849. This is the easy thing. The length, this is the perimeter 15.357. So just close. This is the one way you can easily see your area, and another way is shortcut command from your keyboard. Double A, hit enter. So the CAD is asking you area, specify first corner point, or you can draw line like this. You can find the area. Also, you just click the object. If you have object, just click or type O, hit enter. Just select your polyline or close line. You will find the area and perimeter like this. Okay, so another way you can find here the tools, analyze. You just click analyze. This is the civil3d. Okay, AutoCAD, maybe you have another option. So you will find here, coming here, this is the area, display the area and perimeter of object or of a specified region. Okay, if you click and choose your object, or you can just click like this, select like this. This is your area, hit enter. So there it is. So I have the another way. So this is the single line. Okay, and that is the closed line. This is also single line. So how can we calculate the area? I need to join this line to make one polyline. Type from your keyboard shortcut command J, hit enter, and select your line, even 1000 line, and select the text and click mouse right button or hit enter from your keyboard like this. Now you will find your polyline. Okay, same, I'll show you another option to close this line. Suppose type from your keyboard BO for boundary, hit enter. See, you will find here boundary. Just hit enter and pick point. You can pick point to like this, but it's take lots of time. I'm not going to do this. I just type BO from your keyboard and see the boundary and click, hit OK, enter. You can pick points, or you can just click the new for new boundary, select new boundary set. Okay, define the set object, analyzed. So I just click the new like this and select my all the lines together in one click. First of all, you need to click on outside and drag it to the end of your lines. So deselect the text, press shift and click top of the text like this and deselect. Hit enter or click press mouse right button like this and click OK and click inside your boundary like this. Now you will see the selected the boundary peak internal point. So I am going to hit enter again. Now it's close line. Okay, join this for area. So now all the lines and arcs are closed, so we can calculate easily all those things and plus together. If I type double A O, so I can click one by one. There is take lots of time, so I have another option, another command for placing all the shapes together. Type double A, hit enter and see the object and add area. So I'll type A again and hit enter, and there is asking you object subtract area. So I choose object. So for object, shortcut command is O, hit enter. Now see the I just click my shape like this. There it is. Total area is 13.8499. Now you will see the change here, the total area. If I select the circle like this and see the area total 29.13 and see again changes. So this make total area. So now you have total area. If even you have thousands of shape, you can calculate like this and there is total. So I am going to, so my shape is finished like right now. So I am going to hit enter twice like this. So I have my area 66.679. I just copy, Control C from your mouse, from your keyboard like this. Okay, I'll show you again. Click outside the text and drag it end of the text. Press Control C for copy and then Control V for paste. There it is, total area. So you can calculate like this area in easy way. Even you have 1000 or more than 1000 shape, you can calculate like this. So we calculate all the roads area like this manually. So it's easy for me. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.